Hello everyone, and in today's video we're with Engwe, a foldable e-bike. I'm going to show you how you can install and put together this bike.
Well, today we're going to put together the Engwe electric bike. As you can see, I've unpacked it all and let it out. It's probably better to put it on something so you're not scratching. See, it comes partly complete. It's got front and rear suspension, lights, and disc brakes, and really fat tyres. Surprisingly, these wheels are really lightweight. They look really heavy, but they're not, quite lightweight. The actual bike itself, the battery is integral, so it's held inside, which is a good security thing. And the build of the bike, it looks quite substantial, and the colour is really nice. Allen key and a little reversible screwdriver. And some straps for your cables to put it all together. Also comes with pedals, mud guards, which are really good, and actually a really quite rigid bike rack, which looks really good. The stem itself that's on the bike here, it doesn't come already together. So what we do, we're going to remove the top piece here. That's going to come off, and then we're going to put this stem here, which comes in two parts here. So that's the major stem which goes on first, and this all clips together, which is quite nice. And it also comes with the handlebar stem itself. I would probably say put this on first and then put the handlebars up in. As long as you've got them nice and safe on the floor, they're not going to scratch. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is get the Allen key, and I've pre-loosened it now. Is just take out this Allen key here. That comes out. You've got a little plastic cap on the top. In this case, it's just a cast metal ring that's been put round. You can lay those to one side for the moment, keep them safe. Then we're going to utilise the major part of the stem. You can see here you've got the locking part. This will eventually go towards the frame itself. So this part here is normally together as like locked in there. So you just open that up, and then you can pull that knife down. All that's going to happen with that will fit over the top of the stem. Okay, it might be a little bit tight to get on to start with. Okay, push that onto the stem itself, so it still will be nice and loose on there. You can angle that round to the angle to the frame itself there. Just line that up. Make sure keeping your forks nice and straight. So remember these parts here that I put down. You're going to need the cap and the Allen key. So just place the cap back in, and then you're going to screw the Allen key back in with your Allen key holder. Okay, so what I've done is I've fitted this stem on here. You can see actually this has to be offset slightly, so that when it folds down at an angle to the side of the frame. Now the reason for that is because when you fit this stem at the top, it's got a height adjuster here. You can see it's got a groove in here which fits inside the stem where it's got the groove. So that's got to go in. Fold down, the handlebars then fold down nice and out of the way for transportation. Okay, now we're going to stick the handlebars on. Just be careful because we have got the screen attached here as well. So undo the two bolts here for the gripping of the handlebars, and that's going to fit in there, and you see the two grips will grip together. Now depending on the way that you ride it really is to the position of the handlebars, but you know, you can adjust that yourself. Step 4 in the instructions will be to put the front mud guard on. See, the front mud guard is held on by an Allen key bolt here, so I've left it loose at the moment. So, what we've got to do is put it on here at the back. So this piece here goes on the two Allen keys here. Okay. Okay, so you can see here handlebars are fitted, and you can readjust those to whatever angle you wish when you get it all set up. Make sure that these are both locked in, and that the forks are lined up parallel with the handlebars. Looking down, what I've done with the front mud guard here you've got a bolt which runs through here, which we fitted the front light. The actual mudguard itself fits on the back just by a little Allen bolt here, and then you've got 2 Allen bolts here, one either side, that holds the mudguard at the bottom. Okay, what we're going to do now is fit the front wheel. Just be mindful that you fit it on the right way around. I've put the stem through here that comes with some bolts and spacers. Put that on so it's ready to go on the wheel. Just make sure that you put this the right way around. Also, if you look here where the discs are, there's a little red shim in here. What you need to do is pull that out to start with before you start putting the disc brake in. Just keeps them nice and clean. Okay, so what we've done, I've fitted the front wheel. I've not tightened it up yet, but if you look here, just make sure that you get the washer and the bolt on the outside, and if you look on the inside, the spacer there. The same on the other side as well. You see, you have a spacer there, the washer and the bolt on the outside. Just remember, this is probably a 2-person operation here, just to line up the disc and the disc pads with that as well, that you damage them. Okay, got 2 pedals to stick on. Really, it's pretty good because you've got a right hand sticker on there, and guess what you've got on the stem down here? You've got a right sticker here, so right to right, and then all that does is sit in there. It's also got an arrow telling you which way round to screw in. Screw in by hand to start with, all the way in, and then use your spanner just to finish off on that side, and then with your Allen key then you can just put that in there. You can see it has got a position here so that you can adjust where you need it. Yeah, all they're going to do is they're going to sit in here so they go through the frame, through the rack into the frame, and then if you just get them started off here, then you continue to do the 4. Okay, like so, and then twist it so it's parallel with the frame. The key won't come out unless it's twisted in the off position. So when it's in the on position, it stays locked in.
Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. We've built this Engwe E-Bike. It looks great. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you in the next YouTube video.